Just before 3:15 in the afternoon, a small group of people could be seen loitering behind a Colorado shopping center. One of the individuals started a fire. This was occurring during a time when the cameras were not being monitored live. However, the property owner was watching from a mobile device and contacted Stealth. We quickly called the fire and police departments. The fire department was first on the scene and helped the individuals extinguish the fire. Once it was out, the truck left. Minutes later, police officers arrived. Loiterers at any business, especially a retail center, can be detrimental. Anytime individuals or crowds convene outside a place of business, they can make customers feel unsafe, which can affect revenues. Not only can loiterers deter customers, but they can also create security and public image concerns. After thoroughly questioning one of the individuals, officers put handcuffs on him and walked him to the patrol car. Moments later, a second person entered the scene. Police questioned her, then placed her under arrest.